everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Now tap on the zero icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now tap on the Santa Claus button at the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Videos. Now you can take a video of yourself by tapping on the white button at the bottom of your screen, or simply choose to upload a video from your gallery by tapping on the Upload button. Now go ahead and select the video that you want to post. Once you are done choosing the video, tap on the arrow at the top right of your screen. Now tap on Post Videos to upload your video on BuzzCast. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.